it's Cricket, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make these cool, fun paper boxes. Okay, so you need a square piece of paper, and in your kit, I already gave you pre-cut squared paper. It's construction paper that started out 9 by 11, and I trimmed it down so they're 9 by 9. And so it's almost every paper will work, and almost every size square will work. The really small ones are really hard, but you guys have squares. Okay, you need scotch tape, and you're gonna need a pencil, and you're probably gonna need something with a straight edge like scissors or maybe a ruler, and that's gonna help you get really good creases in your paper, which is really important to be able to fold your box. All right, so we're gonna jump right in. You're gonna take one edge of your paper and you're gonna fold it over to the other edge. And we are just line up the edges, and we're going to give it a really good crease. And this is where the creasing comes in. I take my thumbnail. I have really strong thumbnails, and I give it a good crease. So that's one. That was one crease. And I'm working on the same crease. I fold it back. And now, got a little messed up here. Got to fix this. There we go. Okay, give it another crease. I drag it along with my thumbnail. Now I'm going to fold it back, and I'm going to crease it a third time. But this time I'm going to show you how you do it with the scissors. You push down with the scissors, and then you give it a really good, nice, sharp edge. So you have a really nice sharp crease. Okay, now we're going to take the one edge to the other edge, and we're going to fold it up and give it a nice good crease across. And these folding back, so with all your creases, you are going to fold them or crease them 3 times each. And the reason you're doing that is you need some really good strong creases for when you are finalizing your box. All right, so now we're going to take one corner and pinch it over to the middle, hold it on the middle, and then give it a good crease. And you're going to repeat that process of creasing it 3 times, back and forth and back again. All right, so we're going to do this with all 4. So this corner goes to the center. Give it a good crease. So with every crease that you are going to do for your paper box, you're going to crease it 3 times. So you're going to go back and forth and back. Okay, so we have those 2 down. This is what you're going to do for all 4. So you're going to fold those 4 in. You're going to crease them for time-wise. I have one ready here, so you don't have to watch me crease everything. Okay, so you took all 4 corners and you folded it to the center, and you have those really good creases 3 by 3. Okay, so now you are going to take the edge and you're going to fold it up to the middle. Okay, so it kind of gets hard to line it up a little bit. Okay, you have it lined up when the middle is touching, like the little star in the middle of your square, and your edges line up. When your edges are all nice and lined up, then you can give it a really good crease. And just like all of them, you're going to give this a really good crease. And the construction paper is really stiff, and it may seem like it's really hard to work with, but you just get such a really good, strong box, little mini paper box. Okay, so line up all the edges, get everything, make sure the edges are touching. Back and forth, back and forth. Trying to make sure that crease stays where it was originally creased, because Once again, it's going to make a really good, strong paper box. All right, so we have that. So now we are going to, this is where I take my pencil and I cheat. Okay, so I find the little middle star point, and I'm going to make a little line there and make a line across, because now you're going to take the edge and you're going to fold it back over to the middle. And it's a little challenging because it's kind of thick. So you make sure the middle touches and the corners are lined up on the edge as best as you can get them. All right, so there's that. And it gets tedious with the back and forth with the creases, but stick with it, because over time I have learned going back and forth on the creases really makes it so much easier at the end. You're not struggling to get really nice sharp corners for your box. Okay, we are almost there, you guys. So now you just we are at the end of our creasing. This is our last crease. The rest of it is putting the box together. All right. So this is what your paper looks like. Now we're going to unfold it, and you are going to unfold 2 corners, and 2 are going to stay pointed in the middle. All right, so now you're going to pick, you have this corner right here, and this one right here. We're going to call this corner A, and this is corner B. So we're going to take corner A, and we're going to fold it in. So corner A is going in. Then we're going to pick it up, and we're going to take corner B, and corner B is going to go in, and it's going to fold over, and it looks like that. Now it tucks under, and then there it is. So this is what I was talking about. Now we have really good creases, so it holds really well. I'm going to show you on this other side. So you have corner A, and you have corner B. Let's see here. And now we're going to push in corner A, and we're going to push in corner B. And then your paper box probably wants to unfold a little bit, but that is why we're going to seal it at the end with the Scotch tape. All right, my friends, I hope that wasn't too confusing. I'm going to show you what we do with the Scotch tape at the end here. So you see how it kind of wants to pop open a little bit? I've learned with, like, no matter how much creasing over time, your construction paper always wants to pop back. So you have 4 lines in the bottom of your box, and I put a piece of tape on each one of those little diagonal 4 lines. So tuck it in nice and tight. Maybe go that one. Like, tuck all the little sides in. Get some tape. I'm not going to tape all 4, but I'm going to show you just for an example here, for time-wise. I lay a piece of tape on there. So that's it. You're going to put 4 pieces of tape, and you can see, I don't know if you can see in the orange one, on all 4 lines I have a piece of tape. And that's it. You have your paper box. It's really cool. It's really fun. If you want, I've seen them. They can add handles over them, and you can have like little candy carriers, little candy boxes. So this is super fun. I hope it's not too confusing. I just got to tell you guys, stick with it. Keep trying. And I gave you pictures to follow too. It's really super fun. And these are fun to even give as gifts. All right, you guys. I miss everybody, and I can't wait to see everyone at Thrive. And I hope you guys have a fabulous day.